What are you doing? That's people's work. You can't graffiti here. Don't you walk away from me.
Hey, fuck you!
What's your name?
I was just a janitor at MIT while cleaning. I saw a math problem on the board. I casually wrote down the answer. The whole school was stunned, because this problem was considered the Oscar of mathematics. The professor asked the class, but no one dared to admit it. To find me, the professor gave an even harder problem. I saw the new problem on the board, so I started calculating again. But this time, the problem was tough, and I worked on it for a long time. Just then, the professor finished his class. Seeing me scribbling on the board, he thought I was causing trouble. He yelled at me to leave, but when he saw the answer on the board, he was completely shocked. When the professor came to the janitor's office to ask about me, I was in court for a fight. I didn't need a lawyer. I defended myself, quoting legal texts. The opposing lawyer couldn't say a word. In 2 years, I committed 5 offenses, and each time I successfully defended myself. But this time, the judge insisted on sending me to prison. The bail was set at $50,000. I couldn't afford it, so I ended up wearing an inmate uniform. Finally, the professor found out my identity and came to visit. He offered to bail me out, but only if I agreed to 2 conditions. First, I had to help him solve math problems. And second, I had to see a psychologist once a week. I agreed, with my help. Many of the professor's questions were easily answered. At night, I started reading psychology books. I could remember everything I read on the spot. When faced with the psychologist's tests, I could see through the doctor's secrets just by observing his actions. The doctor, embarrassed, vowed he couldn't treat me. After driving away 5 psychologists, the professor had no choice but to ask his university friend for help. He was a true master of psychology. His arrival completely changed my life.